Building on our experience of digital twins in industries like automotive, aerospace and aviation, in just 6 weeks, BJSS created a wastewater network proof of concept. This provides the visual representation together with analytical tools for stakeholders. Analytical data and simulation techniques can inform decision-making and scenario testing. Using open source data from multiple IoT devices, we're able to create a unique view. Using our model, we can predict the potential impact of environmental, residential, and physical changes to the network. Sensors provide live monitoring of assets and their impact on the environment. The digital twin is able to visualize and alert stakeholders via notifications when actions such as proactive maintenance is required. Using the data acquired, we are able to create user-friendly, interactive dashboards which can be personalized based to the needs of the client.